What are some of the worst popular ideas you've seen about money? Maybe something about luck or some other negative bullshit people believe about money. What are some of the worst ideas you've seen?
Okay, so a lot of the ideas that are propagated are fucking awful, and the reason they're propagated is because they make things sound simple. So Tate Lopez, a famous dude, he talks about how much you need to read to get rich. That is the biggest crock of shit. I haven't read a book since I was in jail. I read a book last time I was in jail, like 7 years ago. I don't read books ever. And I'm not saying you shouldn't read, but the idea that you can sit there and read a bunch and end up with money in your bank, I do not agree with. I think that's just him. It's a very easy way for his to package. He has this thing called Mentor Box where he sells you.
Yeah, I've seen.
Yep. It's just, it doesn't add up because action makes money. Reading theory is completely different to action. I believe in action making money. My whole philosophy to money is action. Hear, move, go, do. Not sit and learn. I didn't learn anything when I was making money. I didn't learn. When I wanted to launch a webcam business, do you think I sat there and learned things, or did I start calling up hoes and buying webcams and it's gonna fucking work? Like, I'm an action man. I don't believe in research.
You believe in fighting?
I believe in fighting. Yeah, let's go. Let's get to work.
Yeah.
So that's the first thing. This whole read a bunch is garbage. Next thing, do something you're passionate about. Now, if you're passionate, you'll have motivation. But if you're passionate about money, you can do anything. Do you think the Chinese concrete billionaire jerks off over concrete? He doesn't give a fuck. He's getting paid. So you don't need, having a passion for your business is great, but I'll sell anything. Now, people think because I sold pussy because I love pussy. No, I will sell guitars. I'll sell rocks. I'll sell dirt. If you're going to pay me, I'm going to sell it. So I have a passion for money and a passion for profit. I don't give a fuck what it is. So that's another thing people are stupid when they throw around. You really need to love your business. You should love having a business. You should love the results. You don't need to love the actual product itself.
How do you feel about luck?
There is a degree of luck. There is a degree of luck, but there's good luck and bad luck for everyone. So there's definitely a degree of luck. Like, this virus is extremely unlucky, but and then other times you're going to get lucky. There's good luck and bad luck, but I don't think because luck is something intangible. It's not something you can predict. I don't think it should affect how you approach your business. You have to work as hard as you can and do the best you can, regardless of whether you're lucky or unlucky. It doesn't matter. You just have to. It's something you can't control. So if it's not within your realm of control, you shouldn't even think about it. You should just do your absolute best, and you should work your ass off, regardless of whether you're a lucky person or an unlucky person.
Yeah, because if you focus on shit you can't control, you're going to expend energy and waste time and effort.
On complete waste of time, yeah.
Anxiety and bullshit, yeah.
Exactly. And another thing I think people don't understand about money is that you can never truly save yourself rich. You can only earn yourself rich. So when I see on Twitter and they're like, how to, like, these Twitter accounts, money advice. If you don't buy a Starbucks each day and put it in a high interest account, in 8 years you'll have $15,000. Listen, yeah. I have $2.3 million of cars. So I'm not a calculator right here. So let's say I have $2.3 million of cars. So let's say you earn $10,000 a month, and somehow you manage to live your life and never, ever, ever spend a penny. You live for free, you eat for free, you go to work for free, you never buy clothes, you never need transport, nothing, completely for free. It's still going to take you, 19 years of saving to buy my cars. It's just not feasible. You don't get to the top by saving money. You get to the top by earning money. Now, I'm not saying don't save money. I'm not saying be irresponsible. My point is, if you're sitting there going, how do I be a millionaire? You should not be sitting there going, well, I want to be a millionaire so I need to save more. No, you need to be a millionaire so you need to earn more. There's a big difference. You're never going to save your way to the top on a normal job. So a lot of people come to me and go, well, I know if I cut down to my savings, it's like, bro, if you add an extra $15 a week to your savings, it ain't going to change your life in any way, So that's one of the other attitudes of money that I think people.
It sounds like a responsibility thing too. Earning is self-responsible. You take the action, you make it happen. Saving is like offloading it and hoping some bank account makes it for you.
Yeah, exactly. People say to me like, do you make your money make money? I'm like, yes, I do. And they go, I want to do that. I'm like, I bet you do. And they go, okay, well, I've got $5,000. It's like, bro, if I make 1% on my pot, it's money. If you make 1% on your pot, it's nothing. Yeah. The idea that your money can make you money is a great idea, and it's true, but only at the top level. You shouldn't be worried about investments until you're already rich. I didn't consider investing until I already had a lot of money. Because if you say to me now 1% a month, I'll sit there and go, okay. If you told me about 1% a month when I had $24, the fuck? So you can forget the whole investment idea until you're already sitting on money and you're going, you know what? I have nothing to do with this money. I don't want to spend it. It's quite a lot. I have nothing to do with it. Now I'll look at investments. But you need to earn your way up there first. The first thing you should be doing is focusing on earning and earning as much as possible, in many different ways as possible. Like I said earlier, trying different things, trying them for free, finding a way to get money in for free. If it works, maybe put some money at it, grow it, get your income streams coming in. And then you can sit there and go, okay, I've got X amount and I'm going to try and do something.